I am Rochelle, a Jamaican living in Canada, on a mission to learn about different cultures. I thought I understood diversity, but moving to Canada showed me that I had so much more to learn. This is the start of my podcast where I share personal stories and interview different people to truly connect. These are the powerful personal stories from people of different backgrounds that changed my entire worldview. Welcome to Connecting Culture. From epic fiesta to heartbreaking goodbyes, music is the essential ingredient for every major Filipino event. We dive into the heart of their culture to show how sound shapes the entire spectrum of life, community, and celebration. Every 15 minutes, somewhere in the Philippines, a karaoke machine fires up, a church bell rings, and a jeepney rattles down the road with 90s power ballads bleeding from its stereo all at once. Sometime. It's a symphony of daily life, loud and undeniable. In no other country does music crash into our daily existence this loudly, this constantly, this shamelessly. What makes a sound the true national language of the Filipino soul? It's more than just background noise, it's the very pulse of the nation.
How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Hindi kita pinaniwanan, hindi kita pinipigilan, ibang lang kita ang kailangan kung I can guide you through the rain. I can stand up once again.
I have never met a Filipino who cannot sing. For every Filipino home I have been, every event, karaoke is a must. When I heard about Philcast Music Fest in my city, I was more than excited to experience the live music from the Filipino diaspora. Come along with me while I show a preview of this event.
Last song for tonight, and thank you for inviting us here. By the way, we're the Black Spring. We are proud Grand Perennials. Right, guys? This is a song for the broken hearted. The silent prayer for the pains departed. Come on.
When I entered the event, the singing was in Tagalog, the Filipinos' national language. Then things got heated. The music and the fun started to become more electrifying.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Are you having fun? Yes. All right. First and foremost, thank you, Phil Gas, for inviting me here together with G-Max. Yes, and we will continue our fun for tonight. And of course, I think one of the purpose of this event is to showcase our Filipino culture. Right? Thank you so much for all the Canadians who came in this event, and hopefully you enjoy the night, and hopefully you appreciate also our music. But yeah, the dancing is not over yet. So take or just relax, or if you feel to dance again, the floor is open for you to dance. Alright! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Maestro! Maestro is a play! How is
petrified.
you never leave without your birthday? But let's get something now. We can count in your maestro.
No, at this point, me with my no singing, no dancing self had to knock up myself and get right into the culture.
If I am not for just one second, you need not decide me. Go on and go Canada. Just get it out now. It's kind of what I'm for. But you the one who's trying to break me with your mind. Feel like I'm more. Make my play down the I'm as glad. Well, what's not my side? Don't have to love. I know what's too high. Something up to you. I got something up to you. I was right. I was right. Hey, come on. Come on. Let's go.
You know I'm having fun, and the energy is going when the jacket is all off. Wait a bit. Intermission break. I got hungry, and I had to check out the food because when it comes to Asian food, Filipino food, I absolutely love noodles, spring rolls, whatever it is. I love the dishes. So I had to go and get my plate full and definitely get some bites right to eat.
Sorry, I forgot to put this on the
Sauce.
yeah.
Back to the show. This artist, I am not even sure what he was saying, but I absolutely love his performance. It's giving me a reggae vibes. It's giving me a Juna Gang vibes. It's giving me this rebel militant vibes. Absolutely love this performance.
Giving you an original song.
Miss Christina and Ruado. A round of applause, please.
She's the youth president of the Filipino Association of Grand Prairie.
Yeah, yeah.
A year, members also get exclusive discounts on additional room, accommodations, food and beverage, spot treatments, banquets, and more. AVLCI is the only holiday ownership company in Asia that has been a consistent RCI President's Club owner since 2012. Furthermore, Astoria Plaza, Astoria Palawan, Astoria Boracay, and Astoria Ferry are all hailed
that you break grace. Suffering is sad, then I want to hurt it. I try to little things, get a jack, get to fight. On the other side, of this world and I'm alive. Tumawin ang hindi kumain. Basta may gawa ang nakakain. Ang sabi lang kasi ko sa amin.
At this point, I was filled with music, food, fun was so electrifying. The music was loud. It was everything. I could not keep up any longer. So I had to head on out and call it a night. But before I go, I had to stop by the photo booth, shoot some shots, and then I get on my merry way.
Kind of hot.
Connecting culture. Fieldcast Music Fest. Rochelle tapping out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Until next time, see you.